Hi everyone, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you a super cute little piece of Loewe. So this is Loewe top handle and pouch. You can see we've got these double top handles and on those we've got the Loewe studs as well. And then to open up this pouch we've got a zip top closure. It's a double zip as well. So I'll open that up and show you the inside. So in there, we've got just one open compartment in there, but then we've also got this little Loewe zipped pouch, and that's on a leather strap connected to the inside of that pouch. And that's just a nice little pouch to keep things a bit more organised in there. So I'll pop that back in there, close that up. So the condition of this Loewe we've called good. This leather is so nice. It is super, super soft. But we've called it good because there's just signs of wear here and there, to be honest. There's quite minor signs of wear. You can see on these corners, just started to wear a little bit. This corner probably has the most wear here. I'll show you each of those. You can see just starting to wear there. And then there's a couple of marks just here and there across the front and the back. Then these little zip tags, you can see the leather on there is just starting to fray a little bit. But that Loewe embossed on there is still really nice and clear. Get that at an angle so you can see it. See that still looks really nice. Inside is a similar situation. You can just tell that it's been used. It's got a really nice suede interior. Again, super, super soft like the outside. But you can just tell that it's been used and pre-loved. I'll show you this pouch again. A couple of marks here and there. You can see just a little bit of a mark there. Other than that, that leather still looks really, really nice. Hardware, again, similar situation. You can still clearly see that Loewe embossed on there, but you can just tell that it's been pre-loved, but it is a very, very cute little, it's such a cute little shape, and I quite like that kind of asymmetric top handles as well, those studs on there. It's a very cute little design. So if you love this bag as much as we do, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any cute little bags like this that we have to show you. This Loewe also comes with a little Loewe dust bag to keep that beautiful leather protected. For the exact measurements of this pouch, go on to the link in the description below and it will take you hopefully directly to this Loewe where you find all the details you need to know about this bag. If it doesn't take you directly to this and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, it does mean it has sold, but we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you love this bag or whatever bag it may be, whatever you have in mind that you would like and you can't see on our website, get onto our request list, just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website and let us know what it is that you fancy, and we'll get you onto our request list so that as soon as we get in a bag like that through the door, we'll send you over an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in before everyone else. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I am size UK10 and 5'4", if that's any help, and by those little top handles, that is where it sits on me. But it's just such a cute little design, yeah, very cute. Go with any outfit really by those little top handles. And it's big enough, it's quite small but big enough to fit in kind of your essentials. And that little zipped pocket inside means it's a little bit more organised as well. So as I said, for more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, which you can do by popping your email into the little box at the bottom of any of our pages on the website. Just scroll to the bottom and you'll find the little box to pop your email in. And if you sign up to our newsletter, we will send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. So don't forget to get that discount code. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, go onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you. So I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.